Good morning. Welcome to the Homestead. I know it has been a hot minute since we've made a video. I think it's been a couple weeks. Anyways, not really much going on. It was Christmas holidays, Christmas break, whatever. I hope you guys did have a really good Christmas, or at least just a break. The holidays are always busy. You got family coming over and so many things to do and arrange and all that. So anyways, I hope it was a good one for you guys. This is gonna be a short-ish, probably short vlog post. Just kind of some random things that we've done over the last couple of weeks that didn't really make it into like a full video or anything. Just to kind of give you an update. So anyways, it is Monday morning. It is very cold and it's time to let the chickens out. So come with me and let's do some chores. So it is about minus 12 today, which is cold. This is a funny story. So the other night I was laying in bed and we have like security lights all around the house, and all of a sudden I was like, oh, like the driveway light's on, and then I noticed I'm like, oh, the back light is on, like looking out to the backyard, and then it was like, oh, the side light's on too, like all the security lights are getting triggered. So of course, you're laying there and you're thinking like, a bear, a monster, I don't know, whatever, is like roaming around the house. And like me as a bus driver, I'm thinking about the fact that I have to go outside in the dark in the morning to start the bus, right? So kind of getting a little freaked out. So anyways, we have security cameras. So I look back on the cameras, which we can do actually from our cell phone. So I did it without even getting up. And anyways, this is what I saw. So, not a bear or a monster. I don't know why I think that. Anyway. So, that black cat has been, when we first moved here, we saw the black cat that was actually living in the barn. And then a couple of years passed, we didn't see him or her. We don't know what it is. Then all of a sudden it's come back, and I've been paying attention to the cameras, and it's been coming to the barn more often, so kind of afraid that there's kittens or about to be kittens. I hope not. Not a fan of like wild, out of control cat breeding situations. But every day because of that now, I check the barn for kittens, so that's become my chores, so I'm gonna go do that right now. kittens, thank God. If there is kittens, I'm gonna probably get them spayed and neutered in like a feral barn cat program. You know, they can come back to live here. I just don't want them living here and breeding, you know, out of control. So, I mean, best case scenario, I hope there's not cats, but it is a bit suspicious because this black cat does look really chubby. So, maybe it's a he and he's really well fed. He did have a rat problem for a little bit, so I don't know, maybe he's just really well fed. But most likely not. Anyways, so that's how you acquire barn cats. You get a barn and then you wait, right? Another thing, you know, it's really cold, so it's hard to like do stuff consistently when it's cold, but so another thing, we got 2 new wheels for the tractor because the one wheel was really mangled, like it came like that, we got it like that, and we decided to get 2 so they would match, they'd have equal tread. So I'm gonna cut to that. It's kind of a whole series on its own, but it's not quite long enough to make into its own video. So anyways, and it's not done. That's why I'm kind of including it in this. So anyways, here we go. This is working on the tractor, and Dave filmed this, so here we go.
So today we are gonna change out these tires and hopefully I've already taken this one off. It's in bad rough shape, so we're gonna take it off and the other one off and go and see if I can get a couple new ones. So that's what we're doing today. So I just got back from the place in town that sells tractors stuff, and they happened to be able to help me out, and they had 2 new rims in stock. There's one right there, I'm carrying the other one in my hand, and new tires. So we're gonna jack this back up. I never bothered taking the other one off, I just took the one side off, and we'll throw this back on. It's a little cool, so I'll probably quickly throw one on and then bring you back. I gotta jack back up again, and I just gotta put the bolts in, tighten it down, and then go to the other side. Looks pretty nice though. And then we'll, it's pretty cold. This doesn't usually fail me to start, but we'll give it a try, and then maybe I'll take it for a little drive around. Okay, I just bolted it on. I haven't tightened them right up. I'm gonna lower it down and then give it a tighten up. So let's see here. We can get this to go slowly. My brute strength is might have tightened that too much. Wait a sec. Okay, I'll bring you back if I get this loose. So we got a Ford 9N, and it's freezing out here. It's about -12, and see if we can cold start it. It's a little cold working over in the shed. I fired it up. I'm gonna move it over to there where the sun is shining, so it should be a little bit warmer. But good little tractor. Alright, so we got the tractor out. I'm gonna keep it running. I blocked the back tires. I'm gonna jack this wheel up. We'll take it off. I'll loosen off the nuts first before I jack it up. And then we'll go from there. So, I just had a bolt break off. And this one's spinning on itself. I did get the other two loose. But as that one's spinning, I can't get it off. So, I have to come up with a plan too. So I'm just gonna park this and figure out what I'm gonna need. Maybe I'm gonna cut it off but I gotta also punch. There's one that's broken off before and I just broke that one off. So I'm gonna have to punch that out. Now on the inside they're welded, but the one that's spinning, which is this one right here is spinning, and it's kind of broken the weld that it's sitting on, so I'm gonna have to figure that one out. Maybe ask my friend the wizard, because he has an answer for everything. So I can't get that tire on, but I did get this one on, and it does look quite nice.
So there you have it. So Dave wants to kind of clean up the tractor, make it look nicer, so we're kind of hoping that the wizard can help us with this wheel, because the lug nuts are seized on it, so they kind of need to be cut off. But so you know, she's not perfect, but she runs nice. She's got a pretty nice 3-point harness on her, so we're hoping that she's going to be a nice tractor that lasts a long time. So that's why we're kind of putting a little bit of money into her. And she is pretty reliable. She starts pretty good every time, and usually the first time, as you saw in that video. So it's a nice little workhorse. These Ford 9Ns, you can't really kill them. So, well, I'm sure you can kill them. I don't want to jinx it by saying it, but you know, they're pretty tough little tractors for the age of them. Because I believe, I might be wrong on this, but my recall on the top of my head is that they were made between 1937 and 1941 or 42. So that was like almost 100 years ago, like, well, not almost 100 years ago, like 80 or 90 years ago. So anyways, that's a long time. That is a really long time for a tractor to just still exist and still keep working. And but you know, she does. So yeah, that's I think that's gonna be the end of this very short vlog. I'm sorry guys, it's cold, there isn't much going on here. Just kind of waiting for a little bit warmer weather. If it wasn't so cold, we'd be working on getting some of these trees down from the tornado. That, I mean, they've already come down, but they need to cut them. But it's just too cold right now to be outside for too long, so just gonna have to wait it out. Kind of the next thing that's gonna be happening on the farm is maple syrup in March, and hopefully in March. We'll have to see how the weather goes, because it's all based on weather. So that's kind of the next big thing, but there'll be many videos up until then, you know, little things that we're doing around here, but March is kind of our go time for maple syrup. And then after that, you know, it's kind of like the spring prep in the greenhouse and all that exciting stuff. I'm going to be ordering seeds soon for the greenhouse. I know it sounds weird in January ordering seeds, but that's when you got to do it. So I'm going to be ordering seeds, which is kind of hard to get my brain into the mood of seed picking because I'm just kind of like, there's still snow on the ground, it's freezing, we're so far from summer, but we're not actually that far from summer. It's just hard to get into the groove of it, but I'm sure once I open up that catalog and start daydreaming, I'm sure it won't take long. Anyways, thanks for watching, and hope you guys had a great Christmas, Happy New Year, and we'll see you next time. Bye!